there have been plenty of comparisons with the Great Depression of the 1930s. The crisis began. And is that scenario sort of that more dire scenario now goes out and we're looking at a more traditional and sudden recession? And are you at all concerned that the strong performance of the stock market in the last few weeks is disconnected from the economic reality?
I think that the Great Depression is a good example or a likely outcome or a model for what's happening here at all. I really don't. And there are just so many fundamental differences. First, the government response has been so fast and so forceful. The origin was quite different. This was an economy that was in a healthy place. Of course, every economy has longer-run challenges, and that includes our economy. Notwithstanding that, 50-year low in unemployment and the longest expansion in our history, and every reason to think it could continue. So that's different from what was happening around the time that the Depression started. The financial system this time was in very good shape, much better capitalized. So, it's just not the right model. I would say we're learning. Every month that passes, we're seeing more, we're learning more, and I think particularly the next few months will be very important in learning what the real story will be, because we'll see the significant incoming data about the opening of the economy, the reopening of the economy. And I would say, assuming that the disease remains or becomes pretty much under control, I think that what you see is a very weak second quarter, historically weak, and then an expansion that builds momentum over time. People will adjust probably a little bit gradually to some of the activities that involve getting together in large groups in close quarters. Those will be the harder parts of the economy to recover. But ultimately, we do see a full recovery over time, and that's really what what I think I'm personally seeing. And you could see significant job growth in coming months as people return to their jobs, but you're still going to face probably an extended period where it will be difficult for many people to find work, and that's what you see in really many forecasts at this point. That doesn't mean it's right, but that's sort of a broad expectation, certainly not the Depression forecast.